bird voice in the halls of 5 a.m. Thebro, Ebro, Ebro. In a mild dark, the radiator is with difficulty white. Ebaw, Ebaw. The syllables vary like a signature. Coal, coal, coal. A new voice tries the uvular diphthong of its particularity. Fricative, apocope, and insectic click join the tuning symphony. Again, the chance to go forth on the soft lawn, to take, like my sprinkler, differing angles to the ground, to the awe of a bitumen crew in hemlock, give jambo the greeting in Swahili. To each, chip, chaw, epiligla, reply in the lingua franca, John, John.